Hello everybody and welcome back to another Georgia Carpet product review. This month we're taking a close look at COREtec Grande. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you probably know that we've reviewed this product before. But with new updates for 2026, including 5 gorgeous new styles. Hi, sorry, just cutting in here. It's actually supposed to be colors, not styles. I don't know why I said styles. The whole point of this product review is that there's 5 new colors of COREtec Grande. Again, that's colors, not styles. Back to the review. We wanted to take another look at it, so without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we wanted to highlight what makes Grande truly shine, its unique sizes. Every plank is 9 inches wide and comes in 3 unique sizes of 28 inches, 55 inches, and of course the full 82-inch plank that gives Grande its name. Each box comes with a mixture of all 3 sizes, enabling you to implement varied plank lengths across your space. But size means nothing without quality craftsmanship, and Grande certainly takes quality to the next level. It features a thickness of 15 millimeters, far above the standard LVP thickness between 4 and 8 millimeters. This makes Grande's thickness as an LVP almost as thick as a 3/4 inch hardwood. Additionally, part of that thickness includes a 3 millimeter attached cork underlayment. The thick layer keeps your planks warm and comfortable on your feet even during the coldest winter months. Plus, the foamed core within the plank center keeps it nice and comfortable, with extra cushioning included in every step. And combined, both of these features cut down on excessive noise and impacts, so you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable experience in your home. COREtec Grande can be installed with glue or floating. Look at the size of this, it's bigger than me! However, due to the hefty size of these planks, they are not recommended for DIY installations. These planks are not easy to maneuver on their own. Plus, each individual plank weighs upwards of 15 pounds, so you are going to want to leave this one to the professionals. But none of that matters if it doesn't look good in your space. Your floor should be a statement piece in your home, something that ties the room together while simultaneously making your space stand out. COREtec does this flawlessly with 15 colors to choose from. This includes 5 that are brand new in 2026: honeyed maple, golden halo oak, vanilla almond maple, soft bourbon maple, and toasted mocha oak. Their color selection adds a wide variety of richly detailed warm and cool tones, allowing you to find the perfect one for your space. No matter which color you choose, each plank offers enhanced bevels which add realism and texture to gaps between the planks, and embossed in register technology, which gives texture and depth to the surface of the plank. This adds to the plank's beauty and visual appeal. But that's not all. Let's take a look at Grande's durability. COREtec boasts an enhanced 30 mil wear layer, that's well beyond a standard LVP's wear layer, and a UV acrylic finish. Both promise to protect it against excessive wear or stains, but let's not just take their word for it, why don't we put those claims to the test? First, we dropped a heavy wrench onto the plank surface to test resistance to dents. It is important to note that an object dropped on its end is more likely to cause denting, but despite our best efforts, we were unable to make a visible dent on the plank's surface. Next, we poured wine directly onto the surface and allowed it to sit for 5 minutes. After the time was up, we wiped up our intentional spill. It didn't leave any indication that it was ever there. Third, and lastly, we wanted to test the water resistance. We wanted to see whether water could soak into the surface, and more importantly, if it could seep through the seam into the subfloor. We let it sit for 5 minutes, and after the fact, we wiped it up. We saw no sign of damage to the plank's surface, and underneath, the paper towel was completely dry. Well, we hope you found this product review helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications on our future product reviews. And we'd like to thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.